Hi there general math students. In this video we're going to do some gradient calculations. So in these first ones, these grid graph type ones, we're going to use the very simple rise over run method. For these ones with coordinate points down below, we need to use this y2 take y1 over x2 take x1 method, so the point method. So there's that rise over run method, and there's the point method. So of course the gradient gives us the slope of the line, and rise over run will give us that value. So starting for the leftmost point here, we're going to go up, and we see that the rise until we get in line with that point there, so from here going up until we're in line with the next point, rising up through there, that distance there is how many blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have a rise of 6. And the run, we can see from here, when we go across, is 3. So we go up and across between the points. So rise over run, 6 over 3, gives us a gradient of 2. So you might want to pause the video and quickly do the other two and see if you can get the correct answer, then I'll have a go. Okay, I'll try this one now. So we're going to go rise. This time we go down until we're level with the next point, and then across. So going down means we actually have a negative rise, 0.4. And then the run, I believe, is 5. So this time rise over run, negative 4 over 5, gives negative 0.8. So just watch out. This one is actually negative. It's going down to the right. This last one, we're going to go down. And how far down do we go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is negative as well. And then we go across 5. So rise this time negative 10 over 5 gives a gradient of negative 2. So there's the first three. Now we're going to use the gradient point formula to do, just the point formula to do these ones. So that point formula tells us that y2 take y1 over x2 take x1 will give us our gradient. So we'll call this one the first coordinate point, and this one can be the second. It doesn't really matter which way around you do it, but I'll just go left to right here. And of course, in any coordinate point, this is x and this one's y. And because this is the first coordinate point, we'll call these x1 and y1. And then similarly over here, x2 and y2. So that means x1 has a value of negative 2. So I'm going to put negative 2 where x1 goes in the equation. Negative 2. And x2 has a value of 5. So I'm going to put 5 take negative 2. And then y2 is 4, which goes here. Take y1, which is 3. So just substituting those values into that gives us 1 over 7, which is about 0.14. Something like that. Just going to 2 decimal places. Okay. And this last one, you might want to pause the video, then I'll have a go at it and show you how it's done. Okay, so let's see. We're going to get negative 6 take 6 over 1 take negative 5, which gives negative 12 over 6. Which is a grand total of negative 2 for this one. Okay guys, so that's how we do those ones. Go ahead and look at the description for the video for the questions that you should try on gradients.